Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to cook fried kale greens. You heard me, fried kale greens, and we're going to season it with some smoked turkey. Yes. Okay, so for those who don't eat meat, if you don't want meat in yours, please don't put the turkey in and don't put the chicken broth in, okay? Other than that, you can follow the recipe, alright? Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to start cooking it in the Power Pressure Cooker XL, and then we're going to fry it after that. You don't want to miss this. Okay, let's do it. One second, let me adjust. Okay, so here we have our fresh kale greens, okay? That's about 4 bunches, okay? I paid $1.59 per bunch times 4, alright? And I have in here 2 cups of water and the smoked turkey. Let me show you that. This is a piece of turkey wing. They bought it in the package. It was already cut up. So I have 2 pieces in here, okay? Just so you can see that, okay? Alright, and that's all I have in here so far. So we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I have some crushed peppers because this is going to be spicy fried kale greens. How about that, huh? So we're going to put the crushed peppers in there. That's crushed red peppers. And I have some Larry seasonings. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. Okay, that's about 2 tablespoons. Here I have 1 onion and 1 clove of garlic right here. Okay, we're going to add that. That's 1 medium onion. Okay, and then I have some chicken broth. We're going to do about 2 heaping tablespoons of that. Heaping means running over, okay? Alright. So now that we have all our ingredients in, now we want to start loading in the greens. So you're just going to keep putting them in. I already washed them 3 times. And the reason why you wash them 3 times is to get all the dirt and sand out because they are grown in the ground. Okay. One other thing I want to add, this is grapeseed oil. If you don't have grapeseed oil, use olive oil or whatever oil you use. I'm going to put about 5 tablespoons of that on there. That's to help soften the leaves. Okay, and you got to make sure that you fill in the sides so that you can get it all in. Alright, we got it all in. Okay, so now we're going to put the top on. Just to recap, okay, you want this, it looks like a little light bulb here. You want that to line up to this arrow here, okay? And then this red button here is going to pop up when the steam locks in, and it'll go down when the temperature drops and safe for you to open. Okay, so let's put it on. Okay, and we're going to cook this for 20 minutes. I'm going to go 25. I want it nice and tender. Kale is a little rough, okay? Alright, so we'll see you in 25 minutes. Great. Okay guys, so we're back. The greens are out of the pressure cooker. I have about 5 tablespoons of Smart margarine. And let me just tell you a little bit about Smart margarine. It says it's 60% less fat, 0 trans fat, vitamin D, gluten-free, and tastes great. I bought it because it supports a healthy, cholesterol level. Right there, supports healthy cholesterol level. I think that's good. Okay, so we have our margarine in here. We're going to add some chicken base to that. Remember, we're frying it. We're frying the kale greens. We already cooked them in the, I'm putting 2 small tablespoons, not a lot, in here in the margarine. This is to bring up some more flavor. And I drained the kale greens. I took all the water out of them. And I want to adjust my camera down more. There we go. Okay, so there's no water here. So, and as you can see, I have my smoked turkey right here. It was a wing that I bought all cut up. So this is how we're frying it. Normally you would just boil the greens and then that's it. But I'm making today spicy fried kale greens. That's it. That's the name, guys. Spicy fried kale greens. And we're going to just let that cook right there until that water is all out, so we can get that nice and flavored and crispy. And the margarine will also put a nice sheen on it as well as a taste. Okay, so while we're waiting on that, let me let you get the word of the day. The word of the day is, so you're looking for a job, but you just can't seem to get out the bed. Well, you got to get out the bed sooner or later, okay? Don't wait until you reach hard times or you're forced to go out of your house because you can't pay the rent, or you can't pay your car note, or you can't pay your car insurance. Stop. Please. Do yourself a favor. Push yourself. Push yourself. And go on out there and get you a job. Okay? Yes, you could start with applying on your phone and do whatever you have to do to accomplish that goal, because everybody else do not want to carry your weight. You have to carry your own weight, because after all, you're grown, right? So step into your grown shoes and go get your job, okay? You're going to feel better about yourself later, all right? That's the word of the day. Go get your job. Okay, let's go back to the kale greens that are frying. Hold on. You see my, you hear my pressure cooker? I'm cooking some more over there. I had a whole case, so I have a lot to cook. So our water is almost out of the greens. You're gonna like this a lot better than if you just boiled the greens. The flavor is unbelievable, especially when you put that chicken broth on there, or if you are a person that don't eat meat, whatever you flavor yours with would be great. Okay, let me taste it. See what I'm missing. Mmm, delish. I'm not missing anything. Oh, it tastes so good. I can taste that smoked turkey. So when you buy the smoked turkey, you know you only need a little piece to bring the flavor. The rest of it you can package up separately and freeze it in the freezer, and then you'll have it for 3 or 4 or 5 times more. Okay? Okay. The water's almost out. Okay, let me get a plate and plate that up. Yeah, all the water's out now. Okay, let me let you see that. I'll be right back. I'm going to plate it up. Okay, guys, look at that. Huh? How about that? You like that? Spicy fried kale greens. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, let me get in the picture. A picture's worth 1,000 words, right? How about that? Great. Okay. So now let me taste it. Let me give it a taste. Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm. The spiciness of the crushed red peppers is coming through. You know that's going to open up your sinuses and clear that out. It helps stimulate the heart. Oh, so good. Much better than if you was to just boil it like we originally did in the pressure cooker. When you take it out of there and put the margarine in the pan, you don't have to use margarine. You can use olive oil if you like. And first you're going to drain all the broth off the greens, and then fry it in the frying pan in that margarine and the chicken broth. Oh my goodness, so good, so good, guys. You guys have got to try it. Okay, alright, see you next time. If you like this video, please share it. Let somebody else know how to fry the greens so that they don't taste bland. Okay, because greens are good for you. Okay, whether it's kale greens, collard greens, mustard greens, whatever kind of greens you like, greens are really good for you. Okay, alright, subscribe if this is your first time on the channel, alright, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye bye.